Isaac Malapo has been arrested and all the evidence points down to him. Do you think that he will make it out of jail before the elections? Do you think that at some point he will be released and Ezekiel will go to jail? I don't know, but according to the evidence that has been gathered, it was strong enough to get him to jail. As we are speaking now, he's in jail, and Onale Runa and Maria came to visit, and they brought a lawyer. The lawyer says that with how things look like, it does not look like he will go out because all the evidence and the case is watertight. A gun was found in your car, and the fingerprints they leads to Kata. So now we need to find out what has happened. Tell me everything in detail as to what has happened, word for word. Then he did explain that he met Kata outside the warehouse. He gave him a USB that has all the information with the recording of what Ezekiel has been doing. And after that, that's how he left it. He never saw him again, never spoke to him again, until now he was then called that he's being arrested for things that he does not know. As it stands, Kata is in hospital and we don't know whether he would make it or not. But if he does not, then that actually case to say that you are part of or inwinimuhumbulelwa. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing a House of Zwide. Dima Dekwana. Sanbonan Abshen Molweni Minjani. Hipukila Hingongwina. So Namutlaka Nongwahina wa House of Zwide. Hikumokoroshlov Sansekangi Kahle, looking at the fact that Ona has a big day coming up, but she is now caught up in this mess and tangled about her father being in jail. Now she cannot concentrate. Now Faith called her and said, you know what, you need to focus. You need to see beyond your circumstances. Then she says, you know what, for you it's easy to say, but to me, family comes first. I have to stand with Isaac Mulapo no matter what. And if it's about this campaign, this can go down the drain. But family, you see, family goes a long way. Family takes you where money cannot take you. And Faith was not happy with that conversation. Les tried to speak to her, but she was not having it. She had a meeting lined up, a very important meeting, but she decided to go to prison to visit Isaac so that they can have a conversation. And thereafter, Les was just trying to come up to make Faith calm down to say, Honor right now, she's not in a good space of mind. Even if she attended the meeting, she was not going to be very helpful because now her mind is so preoccupied about what is happening with her father. As it is, Isaac, there's no way that he will make it out of jail because but on the other hand, now on the car wash, Molefe says the is it Busiso, the guy that washes cars there, he said that maybe we should take down the posters because if people come here and then they see posters, so he was like, you know what, for me family goes beyond everything. I am going to Isaac come what might me. And even Msizi, fortunately, he's also behind what Molifo is saying, that we are going to be supporting Isaac whatever it takes, because this is not the time for him, for us to be saying that, to back down and say, because now you are arrested, now we are no longer coming and helping you. No, now that he's arrested, this is the time where we have to show him ukuthi siyamthanda manyanya. On the other hand, speaking of Uthando, Nkosi is battling this thing that is happening with Upalisa, where the campaign did not really go well according to the social streets of social media, and they're calling her that she's fat, and now I think she's trying to lose some weight, but I don't see it going through nicely because she is taking it to heart. And this some other lady just came and brag her. Bella never liked your campaign, so they called me to redo and post more because bate wena ukebile ke sisi. So she's starting to look at herself as umuntu okebile. And Unkosi was like, no, there's no such thing. And she was just not having it. That conversation flew through to Faith, and Faith was like, oh, how cruel can social media be? But it looks like, on the other hand, coming back to Isaac's house, things are not really sitting too well because Keleza says, first it was my mother, now it's my father. Mara ukwete meningana ndidothiwa hanyina. And Maria was just there to comfort her, to say, we are here for you and we're going to be with you through and through. Well, that statement was thrown on the table as well while Ona was with the friends, because Masanza was like, hey, but ufakazi obuningi bukhomba ubaba wakho. And then now Mampo just said, but all of those things were planted. And then Ona says, okay, the whole community everyone is against that the Isaac, and then Mampo was not happy, saying how when you say everyone, but we are here, Mos, what do you mean? So she did not, that did not sit well with Umampo, and I just think she was just trying to steal the spotlight, like as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a very big thumbs up. Remember, we do not upload full episode. What we do, we review full episode.